Hey guys, welcome back to Resourceful Living Homestead. I have some herbs that I have dried out, ground up, and I use them quite often. But when I have too many herbs that'll fit in my jar that I keep on my shelf, I need a way to keep those fresh for storage in my root cellar. So, had a company called HTPOW reached out to me, said they'd like to send me a product, said they watched some of my videos, they see I do a lot of canning and preserving, and they wanted to send me this automatic mason jar sealer. It is, you charge it with a Type-C charger. Comes with the Type-C charger for keeping it charged up. Right now it's got 75% straight out of the box. So let's see how it works on sealing these jars up. Now, I've never sealed these up, as you can see, because I use them quite often. And I keep desiccant bags inside for the moisture. But if this was full, or I had another one that was full, since we are in full-blown harvesting season right now, I could have very well had a full jar of this and would need to seal this. So, let's put this thing to the test. Now, this is good for a regular size, regular mouth mason jar, or you can simply unlock it, and then this one is for the wide mouth jar. Now, they also send this where it's for regular mouth and wide mouth. They also send you 5 lids of each size. They send this little tool that is good for a lot of things, but that is handy to have for opening your jar, your lid back up off of it. Say that was sealed. I often grab a knife to do it with. But here's your tool. Let's keep it in your jar. It has a user manual, and they send you some labels so you can label your jars with. Now let's put it to the test. I'm going to go ahead, since I've already got it off for the wide mouth, I'm going to go ahead and I'll show you these are not sealed. I've never sealed these. I just keep the bags inside. So let's see how well this works. I have not used it. It's straight out of the box. All you do is you put it down on your ring, hit the power button. It's doing a count up right now. We'll see how many seconds it takes. This is perfect for herbs. I actually have some herbs, some full jars of herbs out in the root cellar right now that I need to bring in and seal them properly. 75 seconds. Or not 75 seconds, it's got 75% on it. It took 1 minute to seal that. Let's check it out. Let's take that off. That is sealed. Sealed. I'm going to use the tool to pop it off. It was absolutely sealed. Now, I'll reseal that when we're done. But I'm going to seal this other one. As you can see, never been sealed. I've just never done it. I probably should wipe it off. I didn't think about that. I use these these herbs all the time. This is a homemade taco seasoning that I made. Okay, put it back on there. Oh, that's a regular mouth. Sorry. It's a quart jar, but it's a regular mouth. Simply put it on there. It's got notches on there. Oh, let me get it lined up with the... There's your lock and unlock. It's unlocked. Press it on there. Slide it over to lock. Put it over the top of the jar. Well, this is nice that it's powered, automatic, and comes with a Type-C charger for charging it up. And you can do this, it took 50 seconds. Now let's take it off. Sealed. Completely sealed. Check that out. Already off. Hit your power button. You can see it's doing a countdown, or a count up actually, counting the seconds. And your Type-C charger fits right up here on the top with a USB. So Type-C with USB on the end. There it is. So you will know when it's done. It will pop off there. You have it sealed. I'll leave that sealed. That one's sealed. See, I took that one off. I haven't done this one yet. Let's just go ahead and get them done. I have another version of this that I bought a few years ago, and it does not seal. I stored walnuts in pint-sized jars, and I went out 2 or 3 weeks ago to get a jar of walnuts out, and they were not even sealed. I pulled a second one off the shelf. It was not sealed. All those walnuts went to waste. We have it sealed. And we're gonna go ahead and do that one more time. We'll simply unlock it, pull it down, and there's your wide mouth. Push your power button. And I love that they sent some lids. That's pretty cool. And some starter labels for you. Comes with the user manual, like I said. Comes with everything you need. And this fancy little tool. I'll have to figure out where I want to keep that. I'll probably keep it in my silverware drawer. Because I'm always pulling out a knife using a bottle opener. If you guys are interested in the HTPOW automatic mason jar sealer, there'll be a link in the description of this video. Go check it out. If you don't have one, it's a great product to have. There we have it. Sealed jar. I want to thank HTPOW for sponsoring today's video of sealing the herbs. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.